Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be downloading some pretty cool stuff for free right now using your PS Plus membership. So let's just go right into your PS Plus membership. So let's just tap right there, and then we're going to select, just go to the right until we see this. Check out the latest PS Plus exclusive packs. Let's just download right there. And then we're going to see all these packs that are free right now. So right now you guys are going to see a bunch of packs right here. And the very first one that we're going to download is the Fortnite one. So the Fortnite one is all the way up there. I just want to show you that you guys have a bunch of packs right now that you guys can download. They're all exclusive for you PS Plus members. So let's just go all the way up. There we go. Finally, Fortnite. Let's just click on Fortnite and we're going to see what this is. So yes, this is a skin plus a backpack. So we're going to go ahead and download it. Obviously, make sure that you guys have right now Fortnite already installed on your PlayStation before you do this. But even if you get this not available for purchase, it's okay. It already did it. And we can check that out once we launch right now Fortnite. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to go right into Fortnite. That's just a mistake that happens within PlayStation. So the same thing happened when we downloaded the skin from before that was free. And right now, the same thing's happening with this skin. So if we click on it, it's going to say not available for purchase. Because it's true. It's not available for purchase. You guys just claimed it right now. So let's just go back. And we're going to launch Fortnite. And we're going to check out if we got that skin. So we're just going to go right into Fortnite. And then we should see that everything's good. So we're going to just log in. And I should see that message up there. Your purchase items are waiting for you. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign. Okay, so any game that you guys have might say that. Not all games, but some of your games. So let's just go into Battle Royale, for example. And as long as I log in, I should see this. So for example, right now, this acquired. So I can equip it or just go next. I'm still going to have it. And same thing goes with the backpack. I can just claim it or equip it. I'm just going to claim it. So if I go right into my item shop, not item shop, sorry, locker, I'm going to see right here my first option. I should have that option down here below. So here we go. So here's my option. So I can just go ahead and save it and change it up there. Same thing goes with my backpack. I can go ahead and select a new backpack, or I can put any other one. So as long as you guys see that it's right here, you should be good to go. Now there is another one that I've downloaded from before, but any one of them, you guys can put them at this point in time. So I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna change up my skin. And anyways, that's how you guys can verify that the packs and everything you downloaded actually does work. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.